Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and today I will talk about exercises and approaches that trigger your breath support. There are three types of approaches because there are three types of learners: visual, imagining some image, physical, focusing on feeling, and the sound, imitating the sound. So three types of approaches: visual, physical, and sound. My favorite approach is imitating sounds because I'm good at imitating sounds. I would suggest two exercises. The motorbike, as I showed you in my previous videos. You take a note, you take two notes, and you imitate a motorbike. This triggers your breath support muscles. This gives you more air pressure when you imitate a bike like this. So you imitate a bike and this triggers your breath support muscles. The second imitating exercise is mosquito. You imitate a mosquito. When the mosquito is far away, the breath support is weak. When the mosquito is closer to your ear, you have more air pressure and the breath support works more, like and this also gives you more vocal cord closure. Your vocal cords close more as the mosquito kind of comes to your ear. The second type of approaches is physical. It's the most common. On the internet, there are a lot of them. The most popular one is long S. So you say the letter S long and you try to say it as long as you can, like and try to remember which muscles are involved when you do this. The next one is the same as S, but we add a note to this and it becomes Z. So if you don't understand how to use this exercise in the song, just add a note and turn this into Z sound. So, and sing the song with the Z, like Z. The next approach, or I don't know, it's not an exercise, it's just maybe exercise. Okay, just blowing. Pretend that you're blowing on the coals in the fire. It will just help you find those muscles and feel those muscles, like again, this is just to remember your muscles, remember the place which works in your body. The next thing is the same as blowing, but with the note. This exercise is called subwoofer. So you blow and add a note to that. This may be difficult to some people, so if it's very difficult, don't pay much attention to this exercise. So it sounds like this. Ass. Or high note. Or low note. Or low. So you just blow and add a note to this. Okay, the next one is the most popular one. It's lip roll. While you're doing your lip roll, your air pressure won't be very powerful, but it teaches you sustained breath support. Like it makes your breath support sustained. So other physical approaches will help you trigger your breath support. The first trigger is leaning on something. So when you sing a song and you want to hit a higher note and you need a little bit more air pressure here, you may lean on something, on a table, or like this, you lean on something. Okay. The next physical approach that triggers your breath support is bending your knees. So you stand when you sing. You stand when you sing, and you start sitting down. You bend your knees like this also triggers your breath support muscles. And the last thing that triggers your breath support, I don't know if it's physical or focusing on image, because it's both. It's both physical and imaginary. You call your neighbor. You call somebody very loud. When you call somebody like, hey, like this, your breath support muscles also engage. Okay? And we are getting to the next type of approaches. It's focusing on image. It's visual. They are not exercises. They are just images that may help you when you sing. You may pretend that you're deflating an air mattress. Just keep this image in your mind when you sing. The next thing, you may pretend that your lungs are a big balloon, and again you're sitting on the air. Like this image may help you. Yeah, that's it. Those were all the approaches that I know. So thank you for watching. Write your questions.